About this item: convenient DisplayPort to Mini DisplayPort cable for directly connecting a Mini DisplayPort, Mini DP or MDP/Thunderbolt 2 port compatible computer to a monitor or projector with DisplayPort. Thunderbolt 2 to DisplayPort cable transmits both audio and video from computer or tablet to HD monitor display. Thunderbolt to DisplayPort cable supports 4K, 3840x2160 at 60 Hz, 2K, 2560x1440 at 144 Hz, HD resolution and flawless audio pass-through for uncompressed digital 7.1, 5.1, or 2-channel slow. Profile connector on the DP to Mini DP cable does not block adjacent ports on your computer. Mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable has molded strain relief for long life, and has ergonomically designed treads for easy plugging and unplugging. Gold-plated connectors resist corrosion, provide durability, and improve the signal transmission. Foil and braid shielding reduces electromagnetic interference. Bare copper conductor enhances cable performance of the Mini Display to DisplayPort. Cable DisplayPort Mini to DisplayPort cable is compatible with Apple MacBook, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Mini, Mac Pro, Microsoft Surface Pro 4, Pro 3, Pro 2, Surface Boot, not Surface for Windows RT, ThinkPad X1 Carbon, X230/X240S, L540, T540P, W540, Helix, Dell XPS 13/14/15/17, Latitude E7240/E7440, Precision M3800, Alienware 14/17/18, Acer Aspire R7/S7/V5/V7, Intel NUC, ZenBook, HP Envy 14/17, Google Chromebook Pixel, Zeusbook Edge X6, Toshiba Satellite Pro S500 in the description too. Get this product today at the best price. About this item: convenient DisplayPort to Mini DisplayPort cable for directly connecting a Mini DisplayPort, Mini DP or MDP/Thunderbolt 2 port compatible